If you want to spend thousands of dollars on crappy custom VRChat model like this one, then go ahead and do so. But if you are looking to get a high quality and amazing custom VRChat avatar, then this is going to be a life-changing guide for you. I have tested tons of different artists on VRChat forums, Twitter, design agencies, and Fiverr, and filtered out the 3 most talented artists offering best prices, and the good thing is that all of them are on Fiverr for 100% safety of your funds. First, let's talk about some free methods. You can get pretty good avatars using Referral, which is completely free, and you can do pretty much anything with it. If you have good designing skills but $0 in your wallet, then Referral is the way to go for you. On the other side, if you want to get a custom VRChat avatar for less than $50, Gumroad is the way to go for you. You can see some outstanding avatars on your screen, and all of them are present on Gumroad. You can even retexture and modify the avatars or hire someone to do it for you and make it 100% unique. Well, finally, if you are on a budget and want to get a completely unique custom VRChat avatar made from scratch, don't worry, I got you covered. I have filtered 3 best VRChat talented artists who offer crazy cheap prices and best turnaround times. Out of those 3 most talented VRChat artists, we have VTube Developer on number 1. He is one of the best artists you can ever find on Fiverr, and he offers wigging, texture, and custom avatars from scratch in a great price. And by the way, the avatar you just saw on the thumbnail is also from the guy's portfolio samples. You can commission him if you're on a good budget. He offers custom avatars in a price range of $400 to $1 grand depending on the complexity of the avatar. Now comes the fun part. If you are looking for a really incredible avatar in a great style like realistic or maybe furry, then ZainIsHere is your go-to person. He's a perfectionist and his quality checking skills are just amazing. The quality of his work can easily exceed your expectations. And when it comes to the most budget-friendly artists, ZainIsHere offers great quality in $300 to $600 with cool features, cool effects, animations, toggles, full body tracking, and whatnot. Links to all these artists are given in the description below. If you sign up using my referral link, you are going to get a $100 discount and a 10% off in your first purchase. If you want more details, the link to the article is given in the description. Follow me on Instagram, links to all the socials are given in the description as well. Thanks and see you all in the next video.